Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your transaction history on OneXpert app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on OneXpert app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXpert apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see other option at right side, just down below the deposit option. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see account management option at top. Just click on it. Now in here you can check your transaction history. So this is how you can check your transaction history on OneXpert app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.